That's
Do you
true.
like pani puri?
Do I like pani puri? Do I like acting? Do you like food? Do I like pani puri? I love pavacha shira, and there are months where say I'm off bread and a healthy diet. You give pavacha shira, put it on the plate, and
And the
that's the
dad-
ultimate test.
Chinese bhel.
I love Chinese meal.
Yeah. Old-fashioned chiliya, keema, pav. Keema, break one fried egg on top of it and eat it with pav.
Oh.
So wiping all the yolk.
Till it's crispy, na?
It's crispy and
Yeah,
then
yeah, yeah.
you partav it.
Partaw it is an emotion.
Partaw it.
Partaw it. No matter how many fancy restaurants I may have been to, at the end of the day, your Indian flavors are
Nothing
soul
compares.
food. Nothing compares. Can I tell you something really embarrassing?
Uh.
One of my weirdest habits is that I read menus for fun.
I think you should spend more time together.
Even when I'm not ordering from there.
I'm very excited because the restaurant I'm in today is smart, it's full of fun, and gives me great joy. And the guest we're going to have is also exactly the same. She's a fine actress, young, raring to go, full of joy, and is great fun. Yes, I'm talking about Shriya Pilgaonkar, the multi-talented young actress. She's with me and I'm at Coconut Boy. We're going to eat a meal, chat a bit, and I have to ask her कि श्रेया खाने में क्या है? So, Shreya, thank you very much for eating with us on the show.
I have to say, Kunal sir, I am so excited.
Don't call me sir. please,
Okay,
no?
okay, Kunal.
Kunal is enough, yeah.
Because believe it or not, everybody is asked, what do you want to do when you grow up? And of course, there was astronaut and detective, and I was a professional swimmer, so I just, of course, say that. But one of my answers used to be food critic. Because I would think food critic मतलब आपको मुफ्त में खाना खाना है अलग-अलग और फिर कहना है वाह 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 कि नहीं 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 बस. And I love food so much that I was most excited for this interview.
I am so happy to hear that because I read somewhere that you have no problem eating all by yourself.
Yes.
So I'm actually honored that you've agreed to have my company on the table.
Please, I mean, being comfortable eating by yourself doesn't mean you don't enjoy company.
Well said.
And to be very honest, I think sharing a meal is such a beautiful, intimate experience.
It is,
I
it
think
is, isn't
you're
it?
so raw, you're enjoying your food, and food ends up, I think it induces a lot of memories.
It does.
So for me, even if it's a strange, I mean, we haven't met before, so we're in a way strangers to each other.
We met only 4.5 minutes ago.
I mean, today, yes,
Today,
for the
today,
first time.
For the first time, yes.
But just sharing a meal, I think, is a very natural way of just being comfortable with someone and opening up side
So
up.
you're right, and I don't even need to ask you any questions because you're saying everything that I wanted you to say. All my friendships that I have today are based on eating together. My closest friends, we became friends because we enjoy eating meals together.
Same.
Going to each other's homes and
Same.
eating. Yeah?
I don't think I can be friends with someone who says, मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं है क्या है खाने में कुछ
कुछ भी चलेगा.
Cancel, red flag.
Cancel.
Cancelled. I mean, like, how I will cancel someone who says I don't like dogs.
Yes.
Similarly, I'll cancel someone who says कि कुछ भी दे दो मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
So how's Jack? Have I set you off on another?
Matlab, now it's a problem because I'm going to speak about Jack, my dog, for the
Okay.
next 2 minutes. So he's, how they say dogs take owner's traits,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So not my eye because
I also
like
think that dogs start looking like the owners after a little
100%,
while.
100%. I mean, I'm guessing both of us because he sleeps with me on my bed. But
Sorry, which dog is it? What?
Indy.
Okay,
But he
Indy, lovely.
has a mix of
Lovely.
Dalmatian genes also.
Oh,
He's
okay.
actually a huge dog.
Okay.
And what makes him really special is that he has only one eye.
Oh,
So like
nice.
Jack Sparrow, pirate.
Yeah.
We
And
adopted
is he
him
sort of
initially.
spotted?
Yes.
Dalmatian? Oh, okay.
He's an indie, but he has
but
traits.
yeah, that's what,
yeah. And he's a gangster, full
Hmm.
Mawali energy.
Lovely.
Yeah. He's
Lovely.
not like a
And is that why you called him Jack because of Jack Sparrow?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Papa suggested.
Okay.
And at that point, when we got him 10 years ago, I was doing a French film. So I said, Ki, Papa, let's name him Jacques. He said, no, we are not calling him Jacques. He's Jack Pilgaonkar. What is Jacques? He
You know, I have a friend in whose lane there was a dog called Zeus.
said,
Zeus, as
Yeah,
in,
yeah,
you know,
yeah,
the
yeah.
Greek god.
Yeah.
And all the staff and the dog walkers, yeah, Josh.
Josh.
So it's better to call them names that everybody can pronounce.
So उसका नाम जोश बन गया
Josh
होगा.
बन गया
हाँ,
होगा.
हाँ,
वही तो, no?
हाँ.
Yeah.
I understand, totally.
I love this. I love the way this conversation is going. And I wanted to ask you this question before we bring the food out because
Yes.
I'm sure you're hungry.
Always.
Is that the Pilgaonkars are originally from Goa?
Yes, father's side.
Father's side, correct.
side is from Goa.
Yeah.
From what I know, last, I guess 3-4 generations perhaps, and Papa will be able to answer this better.
Okay.
They moved to Mumbai.
To Mumbai.
But we're absolutely Goan in terms of the kind of food that is made.
Hmm.
Not the Portuguese influenced food,
Hindu
but
Goan. Saraswat Goan,
Saraswat food. So
Correct.
coconut, lots of fish, lots of prawns, and even the bhaja we make from farasbi to everything. will
Fanas.
have Fanas, ansa, fansachi
Andisa
bhaji.
fansachi bhaji.
That is my soul food. And for those who don't know, ansa fansachi bhaji is fanas, that is jackfruit, mango, and pineapple.
Correct.
And my aji makes it, and her mother-in-law had taught her.
Hmm.
And every summer, एवढी बनते भाजी ती.
Wow.
And we're eating it for 4 days.
So who makes it now?
Aji makes it.
Aji makes it
And
still.
in fact,
Yeah.
I've recorded her making because honestly, this is how traditions are going to be passed.
This is the only way.
Only
It's
way.
the only way we could preserve because I have this, I know we can keep on talking about this, but I have a big bone to pick with the new generation. I'm
Yeah.
saying even if you don't want to cook your parents' food,
Yeah.
at least write it down somewhere. You know, because your daughter might want to cook.
Yeah.
You know, so
Yeah.
you're
And-
laughing, you're smiling because you're doing that.
I have been doing that for several years. I have a recipe book. I love to write rather than type. So I have this recipe book wherein I have literally taken notes down exactly how my aji would say it. Both my ajis, maternal,
Okay,
paternal,
okay.
both. Excellent cooks. And I ask them and they tell me, and I've also recorded like small things like ukdiche modak or ansa fansachi bhaji or aru.
Aru,
Aru.
patpata.
Yes.
Okay.
All of these things I love. And I don't know after my grandparents who is really going to make this again. And many people do, but that taste, that familiarity is what is home for me.
Yeah. And if you could duplicate that, replicate rather
Yeah,
that
yeah,
taste in
yeah.
your own cooking, it
Yeah.
is brilliant.
So I mentally cook.
What does
I
that mean?
think I,
What does that mean?
which means that I may not always go to the kitchen to cook, but in my mind, I have visualized how I'm going to make a dish and I feel like I've made it. And my mother disagrees. She thinks I can't cook anything, but I beg to differ because I have cooked everything mentally.
in your head. Mom must be aghast saying, "हे काय झालंय माझ्या मुलीला?
My mom,
वेडबीड लागले का काय तिला?"
she knows I'm crazy, so she expects me to say this. Yeah.
Okay, on that note, shall we bring the food out and then
Please do.
continue talking?
Please do.
So we've come to Coconut Boy, which is a fab Goan restaurant in Mumbai, in Bandra, and little connection with the Goan heritage.
Yes.
And although this is the Goan Christian food.
Yes, but this is my soul food because at the end of it, seafood is something that I really love.
Seafood. Lovely.
Let's Masaharis.
Masaharis, get the food out.
Yes.
Well, this is only the beginning.
I'm too excited.
Yeah.
I think we need another table, Tithe.
I think so, no? Because
yeah.
there are a couple of other things
Yes,
coming.
yes.
In the meanwhile, let me just see what is on this table over here. We've got, I believe, like French fries.
I love French
There are
fries.
pictures of you on the internet eating French fries and dabbas of Pringles.
Comfort food. I mean, anything fried is comfort food.
Please start. Just have one to start off with. Okay?
Cheers.
Cheers. You want ketchup? No. Okay. So we've got a prawn balchao here. We've got a Ross omelette, which is a very, very typical Goan breakfast.
Street food also, na?
Absolutely. Prawn stuffed papad.
Prawn stuffed papad.
Yes,
Wow.
so papad rolled with
Wow.
prawns there. And poi and sweet buns.
I love food.
I love bread.
Bread is an emotion.
Okay.
Yeah. Pavatsa shira.
I love pavasa shira.
This is a Maharashtrian emotion, guys.
Pavasa shira.
Which is like shira bread.
Shira.
एक दिन के बाद वाला जो.
Yes, absolutely.
How do they make it in your house?
Tel, kanda, halad,
Hmm.
green chilies, kadi patta.
Same.
मला वाटते थोडं मोरी राईची फोडणी
Correct.
देऊन and then you
Till it's crispy, na?
crispy and
Yeah,
then you
yeah.
partaw it.
Partaw it is an emotion.
Partaw it.
Partaw it. I love pavatsa shira. And you know, there are months where, say, I'm off bread and a healthy diet. You give pavatsa shira, put it on the plate, and
And the
that's the
diet-
ultimate test.
Diet breaks? No.
I have failed. Every single time when pavatsa shira has been kept.
Good. So please, shall we start
Yes.
nibbling away at things?
Wait. Oh, this is nice and garam.
Yeah.
Oh
Look
boy.
at this. This is a feast. And you have
Can I
got
be honest? I skipped breakfast today. This is
very
my
good.
first
I'm very happy to hear that. So
मेरी next meeting cancel कर दो guys.
हाँ.
मुझे सोना पड़ेगा इसके बाद.
इतना सारा खाना खा के सोएंगे. So you tell me where you want to start.
I'll start with the balchao and this because ये गरम गरम है.
Great. So this is prawn stuffed papads, which is
Lovely.
prawn balchao.
You know, this prawn balchao reminds me of this prawn pickle that my Aji makes, which is very famous in my house.
Okay, and this is the kind of pickle that you can keep for a day or so, no?
Several days.
Several
and
days.
in fact, I think after the third, fourth day, that consistency
Become better
becomes
and better.
better, and you just have it with like plain rice or anything like that.
Oh, right. I forgot to do that. I just swung in. So tell me, you grew up in Mumbai?
Sorry.
Interview cancelled, we're just eating.
How to eat and talk. Yes, I grew up in Mumbai.
Okay, and which part of Mumbai?
I was born in Dadar, but we stayed in Juhu for 1 year.
Do you have any memories of Dadar and the food in Dadar? And
No, I mean, immediately, my hospital that I was born in was that side.
oh, okay.
In Juhu, which is now my father's office,
Hmm.
is where I stayed for 1 year and then
Okay.
they moved to Andheri.
Okay.
Yeah, back road Lokhandwala. We've been in that area for
7
20
years.
plus years now.
Tadi Plaza.
Yeah.
But we commuted to St. Xavier's College all the way,
For 5 years.
5 years, sociology.
Sociology. I studied, I did my BA and socio-economics, history were my subjects. We did a bit of psychology, French as well. And my memories of going to Xavier's, besides our amazing college life, because our campus and everything is fantastic, obviously.
Yeah, the quadrangle and...
Are you a Xavier, right?
No, I'm right from behind. They're just cool apart.
Oh,
Yeah.
so that area
Yeah.
is, you know the vibe.
I know the vibe.
And everything from that train travel, I mean, not proud of it, but बहुत बार लटकते गए हैं हम,
हाँ.
जो घर पे नहीं बता सकते थे तभी कैसे जा रहे हैं.
हाँ.
But post college, going to Sasanian
Sasanian
Bakery,
Bakery, absolutely.
where the potatoes used to be so orange because of the food color that it would be all over our tongue. And even Britannia.
Correct.
And so many places around. So
And
bakeries.
the Xavier's canteen itself was quite iconic.
Our dosas are
Yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
And our sandwich. Recently, I went to Xavier's for Malhar. And they were still there. Our
The
sandwich
sandwiches. Did they
scala.
have Chinese also?
Amazing.
They do great Chinese food, no? Xavier's
Amazing.
canteen.
Your noodles and Chinese and dosa. We had a very good variety. Yeah. And I like to travel for food. So one of the very extreme things I've done is with my college gang once. One of our friends said there's a dhaba जहाँ पे butter chicken अच्छा मिलता है. अभी मुझे नाम याद नहीं है. We've driven 3 hours just
eat
for that
butter
butter
chicken.
chicken. That's the commitment.
I think you and I should meet more often.
Absolutely.
We
It will
can
be
drive 3 hours
dangerous.
to get good food.
My papa and I are like this. I get this from my father.
The 3 of us will go.
Yeah, totally.
So when you say travel, I believe you went off to Japan by yourself, and Japanese food is something that you really like.
I love Asian food in general. So South Asian Thai food is actually, I love Thai food. It's right on top of my favorite cuisines. Japanese, of course. and Indian Chinese. Indian
Chindian.
Chinese. Chindian.
Hmm.
Hashtag Chindian food is an emotion also.
Absolutely.
And वो
Agree.
post 12 o'clock अगर binge करना है तो you need that you know that kind of Chinese.
Rasle par also. Rasle the Chinese food roadside.
मैंने rasta तो I have not had that much.
I mean, now people don't eat. I mean, we
Walk.
college people don't eat.
Yeah.
Rasle but Chinese bhel.
I love Chinese bhel.
Yeah.
I love Chinese bhel. Recently I had a dry YY
YY noodles.
का like a Nepali dish. वो भी मैंने खाया था recently. My Japan trip was very special to me because it was my first solo travel trip.
Alone.
And you know how you're saying, I had made my first time that like my first paycheck had come. And I said, I had just enough to do a backpacking trip. And on a whim, impromptu trip, I booked my tickets and I said, I'm going to go.
You told mom and dad or no?
Of course,
Oh,
of
you
course.
did. Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, I've always been encouraged to be independent,
Independent,
to
do
travel.
things, yes.
Yeah. Booked a flight, went to Japan. And I realized besides sushi of what our idea of Japanese food is, there is so
So much more there.
Okonomiyaki or Japanese omelette.
Okay.
I discovered it there.
Oh.
So that is something that I had not even heard of here. Jo abhi I think I started coming into
Slowly,
the
slowly.
menus here.
Yes, slowly.
And sushi is luxury even there. So I went to the Tsukuji fish market in Japan, 4 in the morning, where fish is auctioned and it's the best quality of fish. I went at 7 in the morning. All the places were packed and they're like these small, quaint, authentic sushi places. And the sashimi we've had there.
And they're doing it fresh sashimi right there?
I mean, I'm spoiled after that because then, of course, when I've had sushi,
It doesn't really
I mean, I'm not bougie about it.
come up
but
to the
I
standard.
Can tell
Yeah,
what
but
it is.
fresh fish from Japan in a Japanese wet market cannot compare to what
Oof,
you
it was
import,
amazing.
no?
And there's a documentary called about Jiro. This very, it's called Jiro Dreams of Sushi.
Okay.
It's this documentary
Ah.
about this really iconic, small, very famous sushi restaurant where they have the most incredible food. It's very tiny and people don't get reservation for years.
Wow.
It's in a train station.
Wow.
So you should watch that
So
documentary.
this is in which city?
Tokyo.
Tokyo
maybe.
only. Tokyo.
But it's really tiny. And this documentary made a lot of people go
I
there.
will watch it.
Yeah, so
I will
Japan.
watch it. You speak Japanese, don't you? Little?
Chotto.
Chotto.
But I've forgotten.
You forgot it.
Yeah. Right now I've forgotten. I need to. I can read hiragana, one of the scripts.
Okay.
But if I polish it, I'll be fine. Yeah.
It's amazing. Huh? So you multilingual also.
I mean, I wouldn't call it right now because I've lost touch. But well, for the
still.
context, I can say.
Suppose a Japanese film came to you and you have to study it and do the lines. You'd probably be able to do the.
I'll be comfortable with it because I understand the grammatical structure of it. But you need to be in touch with the language regularly.
True.
Why have
You-
you stopped eating?
No, yeah. So I want you to try this a little bit. We've got this. This is the pork armsole that I'm talking about. It's not a red fiery curry as you normally think of Goan curries.
Yeah.
And I'm a big fan of it. So can I?
Let's try it.
I'm give you a little bit to taste and then you can. Is that nice? That's nice, isn't it?
Give me a little bit.
Little bit to taste.
Thank you. Oh my god. This is so good.
It's quite nice, no? I'm also.
I love
I
this.
am so happy I've discovered this place, and I'm so happy that you become an excuse to come here.
No, absolutely. And I've passed this place several times and I haven't come. Also, honestly, no matter how much world cuisine I try,
Ta-da-ta-ta-da, ta-da-ta-ta-da,
Drum roll.
ta-da-ta. Shall I use my fingers and serve you?
yes, please. Indian food I can't eat with cutlery.
No,
I
no.
need to use my hands.
Da, da,
But
da.
how fancy a place is.
Da-da.
Richardo, prawns.
Risotto. Prawn risotto.
I was saying that
Huh.
no matter
Hmm.
how many fancy restaurants I may have been to, at the end of the day, your Indian flavors are
Nothing
soul
compares.
food. Nothing compares. Absolutely nothing compares.
And you know, there is such an awakening for Indian food in, say, in the UK,
Yeah.
in parts of America, where this whole thing about just Indian food being tandoori,
Which is just North Indian representation.
or this Bangladeshi vindaloo that they make,
Correct.
is changing. So
I do feel though that there's nothing like Indian cuisine because Indian cuisine means so many different cuisines. You have Bengali, you have
Correct.
Maharashtrian,
Absolutely.
you have Kerala में अलग बनता है.
कभी केरला में
हर
चीज
जगह.
बनता है,
Exactly, 3 kinds.
वेजिटेरियन सद्या बनता है,
Absolutely.
मापला क्विजीन बनता है,
Absolutely.
सीरियन क्रिश्चियन बनता है.
Our northeastern food. So there is such a diverse cuisine that when I travel and if people say, you know, we love chicken tikka masala and curries and you know all of that, I do a little bit of an education. They're saying, guys, we have such a variety. It's not just one state ka cuisine. It's not just your North Indian cuisine that's there. So I was shooting for a show in Goa with Veer Das,
हाँ,
and we were filming for a month.
okay.
And essentially, it felt like a paid holiday because you're
Okay.
shooting in Goa, so that energy is so relaxed.
It's relaxed, yeah.
And after
It's for a TV series? It's
it
for
was
an
for a
OTT
series.
thing?
Yeah, it's not yet released.
Okay.
Oh my god! I think I have been to so many different places. Of course, Vinayak and all are staple
Yes,
places.
yes, absolutely.
But I love Sanak, the fish.
Sonak, huh? Yeah, yeah.
You don't get it
Correct.
here.
You don't get it here.
Sanak fry, I love Sanak. So I only used to have that, and Goa has so many restaurants now that actually are really really good.
Yeah.
Uh,
It's become into literally like a hub of good cuisine, you know?
Yeah. But I don't end up eating Italian or anything else in Goa. Like for me, I'll only go on food.
Also.
Nothing
You know, I
else.
get really upset if I go to a state or a city and I cannot eat the local food.
Yeah.
It upsets me. मतलब एक बार ऐसा, you know, I become चिड़चिड़ा. you
No,
know?
I get it. So if a guest comes to Mumbai, where would you take them?
Okay, now
3 meals.
alright. I'll take him to Olympia Cafe
I haven't
in
been.
Colaba. Olympia Cafe is a good chilia, old-fashioned chilia, keema, pav. Keema, break one fried egg on top of it
Oh,
and eat it with pav.
oh.
So wiping all the yolk.
I'm not a very yolk person, but this
Oh.
sounds great.
No,
It's
you must
fine.
try.
Yeah.
Secondly, I'll take them for a good Malwani meal somewhere. Either
Like a thali?
like a
Malwani.
thali.
Which
Yeah,
is your
so-
favorite?
So I've got two,
Malwani.
three. I like Chaitanya.
Chaitanya is very good.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I also like Saiba, which is at Bandra.
Oh, I haven't been.
Right. So you come, Bandra to masjid hai na?
Hmm.
Exactly opposite. It's been there for
Saiba?
30 years.
I'm going to take a recommendation list from you.
Saiba is good, and and then there's a toss up between taking somebody to say Bombay canteen
Very good food also.
or you know.
Because that's like a fusion
yeah,
and
so you-
interesting
But
experience.
it's
Yeah,
an
yeah.
experience, no, for
Yeah.
somebody. So that would be my sort of go-to for now. I mean, most people go to Trishna.
Yeah, Trishna's
then,
also
yeah.
nice, but actually, I also feel like if people have come to a new city and have limited time, it's also not just about the food, but also the entire eating experience.
Correct.
Even if it is roadside street food, वो मजा आना चाहिए.
Absolutely. Absolutely. If the foreigners can take the Bombay bowels, then
Yeah, that's
do you like pani puri?
Do I like pani puri? Do I like acting? Do you like food? Do I like pani puri?
What do you like in your pani puri?
I like it's firstly the puri has to be crispy.
Okay.
Crispy. मुझे सूजी वूजी मत
नहीं,
डिस्कशन में
नहीं,
नहीं चाहिए
नहीं,
वो सूजी
नहीं।
वूजी. I need a crispy पूरी. पुदीना का जो वो पानी है, इमली अच्छी होनी चाहिए. So it
Correct.
should be a good balance of खट्टा मीठा.
Hmm.
ज़्यादा तीखा नहीं, which like my mother has. खट्टा मीठा होना चाहिए. And no garam ragda and all. Don't mix all that garam ragda and pani puri. Are we
I
friends
love you,
now?
I love you.
Yeah.
No ragda.
No garam ragda.
Hmm.
Give me your normal traditional
Aloo, moong
मूंग. हाँ.
और बूंदी.
और इतना ठंडा नहीं होना चाहिए कि दांत आपके ये हो.
कि cavity
वो-
झंझनाए.
हाँ. तो वो perfectly वो वाला नहीं, वो वाला
हाँ.
ऐसे 12-13 हमें खाने हैं.
12-13.
12-13 खाने हमें. और फिर 2 भैया सूखी पूरी देना, वो 2.
100%.
That is a meal. And I have been trolled on social media because on Gudi Padwa, someone had played a game with me. Do you like this? Do you like that? And I prefer savory to sweet. So when they said Shrikhanda Puri or dosa, I said a crispy ghee dosa because I like dosa. People have Maharashtrians have trolled me saying, what kind of a Maharashtrian are you?
How can
I said, listen, can't someone love everything and in the
yeah.
moment feel like something? So usme pani puri had I think 1. I love pani puri.
I love pani puri also. We shall now ask you a controversial question.
Please?
Chaat in North India or chaat in Mumbai?
Chaat in North India is very good, but different kind, na?
Mumbai
Ragda.
I love sev puri. I think beats all the chaats in the
नहीं,
world.
but सेव पूरी पानी पूरी वो एक किस्म का चाट है. नॉर्थ में आपको छोले भटूरे
Okay,
जैसे
okay.
मिलेंगे या रगड़ा
दही भल्ला
दही भल्ला वो एक अलग फील है तो वो
हाँ.
कंपैरिजन
नहीं?
नहीं but if I have to pick सेव पूरी पानी
Sepuri Pani Puri.
100%
With me,
100%.
and I have traveled the whole north, and I'm going to lose all my north viewers for saying this, but I have traveled the whole north, but I come back to a good Sev Puri, Pani Puri, nothing like this. Superb. The house that I grew up in was a joint family at Chopati, Dilgaon Chopati. Okay? We had a dining table, which was a 12-seater dining table. Everybody used to sit together.
Yeah.
My ajoba is the head of the table and baki sagre,
yeah
you know? And that memory of being able to eat with a large amount of people every day, make some noise on the table, is something that I sorely miss today unless we go out with a group of friends, you know. But on a
Eating
regular
together
basis,
doesn't happen.
Doesn't happen. But I live separately.
Yeah.
Parents also now
Yeah.
passed away. So I just yearn for times when we can all sit together and eat. You know?
but how lovely that as a job you
That
get
is
to
true.
sort of meet people
That is
and I
true.
do think that people are very relaxed and their guards are down when they're eating and I
Correct.
don't mean fancy eating
No,
I
no,
mean
eating
when
like
they're
butter bitter.
actually you know when they're not conscious about how they're eating and what
Correct.
it is and that is when you sort of lose sense of every other thing and it's just you eating. And a very bad habit that I'm trying to shake off currently is that I usually enjoy watching something when I'm eating. And I really want to not do that.
Even I do that,
Because
yeah.
I feel like it's become an addiction now to watch something. Whereas, like, okay, my father will absolutely not do that.
He'll never do
Even
it.
if he's alone on the table, he's not going to multitask because he's like, I want to focus
On what
what's
the
on my
food is.
plate.
Yeah.
And I feel like at least if one meal I'm able to achieve that, so I try.
Yeah.
Because how sad if I need to constantly, I'm like,
And do something, watch TV. And
yeah, I don't know.
But I want to come back to what you said earlier.
Yeah.
Is the act of shamelessly being able to eat.
Yeah.
And I don't mean shamelessly in a bad way. I
Yeah.
mean shamelessly means without any consciousness. कि मैं ऐसा ऐसा खाता है. Isn't that a bit like acting also when you let your whole guard down, your emotions can come up to the
Yeah,
surface.
yeah.
I'm assuming is the difference between a really good actor and an actor with a lot of craft.
Yeah.
But an actor who's there's craft in everything. You have to have craft.
Yeah,
There's
yeah,
no
yeah,
question you
yeah,
can't.
yeah,
But
yeah.
still to be the ability to go beyond craft
Yeah.
and just let yourself go.
Yeah, yeah. I do think that when we appreciate good performance, essentially we're appreciating that effortlessness, right?
Yeah.
And there is a lot of effort that goes behind achieving that state of effortlessness. You can come prepared, you can do everything, but when you're on set, when you're ready, the lights, the cameras, everything is ready, you have to sort of shed that effort and just be. And sometimes a lot of work has gone into preparing for that being. you know.
Yes. Yes.
And that's the beauty of it. And honestly, if you ask me, a lot of my characters, whether it's Sweetie Gupta from Mirzapur or Kashaf Kazi from Guilty Minds or Madhu from Taza Khabar,
Correct.
the way they would sit and eat is going to be different. So that thought is also put in.
Yes, of
If
course.
today I'm eating like Sweetie Gupta, that will be different. As Kashaf, I will sit and eat differently.
Correct.
As Madhu, I will sit and eat differently.
But is that something you'd work out, or is that something once you assimilate the character, it automatically your hands
this is-
hands and body moves in that?
That's
sort
my
of
work
gen-
as an actor that I
yeah.
have to put in
Yeah.
to
Of course
understand
you
what
do.
are the instincts of the character. It's not just coming and mouthing my lines. अगर उतना ही आसान होता तो सभी कर लेते.
Yeah.
It's really about the comfort level and to build that instincts. And I feel like if I have to play a chef tomorrow, in the first 5 minutes I have to convince everybody that I've been a chef for 10 years
And that you can cook.
and I can cook. How will I do that without saying a single word? It's
Correct.
the way I use the knives.
Yeah.
It's the way I'm talking. It's my comfort and my space. And that synchronicity with your environment is equally important and as important than big monologues.
Absolutely correct. So speaking of which, broken news, where you're being tortured. Now, how the hell do you prepare yourself for that kind of battering? The female constables are insulting.
Yeah.
You are physically being,
Yeah.
how do you say, abused for
Yeah.
want of another
Yeah,
word,
yeah.
and mentally
Yeah.
screwed. So how do you prepare for that kind of thing?
I don't have an answer to how I prepare for that kind of thing.
Is there
I think,
real fear while? Do you sense
Of course I
real
have to.
dread? Does
Absolutely.
it depend on the actor who's in front of you, giving you the right kind of? I'm just asking.
Of course, I think it helps if you have good actors with you, because that give and take is
Yeah,
what's going to
correct.
build a performance. But I can't rely on that. At the end of it, I have to make sure that my performance sort of justifies what that moment requires.
समोर दगड असला तरी you will have to.
Absolutely. आणि असे असतात पण खूप वेळा, असं असतं पण खूप वेळा की ते मिळत नाही तुम्हाला. You can be with actors who are selfish and who only want to focus on their performance, and they may not give you cues properly in your takes. That also
Purposely?
happens. Let's say half-hearted, you know,
Okay.
which is sad,
Yeah,
but
it is
sometimes
sad,
that
it is
happens.
sad,
So you
it is
have to
sad,
kind of
yeah.
stand up for yourself. But I will say, I think because this was season 2, I had lived with the character of Radha Bhargav in season 1 so much that it's muscle memory, those instincts were there. I knew what had happened to Radha. So it was a very natural transition of everything that had happened. So I felt like it came naturally to me to understand what is at stake. And I'm not an actor who needs to do extra method. If I'm playing a drug addict, I don't need to do drugs for it.
Absolutely not.
Yeah, but I'm just saying that,
Absolutely not,
giving
yeah.
you an extreme example.
yeah.
So if in that sense, I don't need to really trouble myself in order to play a scene where I'm troubled. But work goes in creating that state of mind, and that happens over a period of time when you've read the script, where you befriend that person.
And you
You know?
yeah, befriend is a better word
Yeah.
than become.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Like if I say this is your character, you'd rather befriend the character or
Yeah.
become the character.
Befriend, because you feel the pain of the people you love.
Yeah, true.
And sometimes your
Well
own
said.
pain you may discard, but if your loved ones
It
go
pains
through
more.
something, it hurts more.
It hurts more.
So I don't think acting is pretending. Acting is truth in the moment, whatever that it may be for that character. It is finding the truth in the moment. If we are sitting and eating together, what is our truth for us in this moment that we are enjoying the food? And I'm not very cerebral about it. ऐसे नहीं कि हम बड़ी बड़ी बातें, intellectual बातें करके, you know, acting ऐसी है वैसी है करके acting हो जाती है, नहीं. वो कभी कभार ना, your heart and your instincts sometimes are enough, rather than just
Yeah.
not like my
Yeah,
cooking.
yeah, correct. Not only in the head.
It can't only be.
No,
in
it
the-
can't be only in the head.
And awareness of space.
Yeah. True.
Awareness of space.
True.
Very,
true,
very
true,
important.
True. Absolutely.
Yeah.
So what's now the latest? What's happening in life? Taza Khabar.
Taza Khabar's coming up, season 2, which is super exciting. Great bunch of actors to work with. And season 1 was India's third most watched show last year.
Oh,
Which
lovely.
is so exciting. I'm focusing more on films now.
Very good.
So I'm looking forward
Very
to 2 films that I'll start working on end of this year. I
you-
think it's important to keep a balance.
Are you writing at all?
I am, but honestly, it's work in progress, because I have a lot of ideas. But I think I'm going to take my own time to understand what story do I want to tell, and I think it's important to take creative control at some point of what you want to do, because
In life, you
you know,
mean.
people are lazy to reimagine you. People
True.
want you to be exactly where you are, and I think as any creative person, you need to create your own path and not depend on someone else giving you that validation. You have to fight for what you deserve.
True. Absolutely correct.
So for me, from that aspect, yes, I would love to.
But since you
Right.
brought it up, do you ever feel that it was difficult to break into the Hindi-speaking North Indian characters, especially because you're from Maharashtra and Marathi is the mother tongue and all that?
Yeah.
Did you find that ever happen?
No, in fact, a lot of people didn't even
No.
know I was Maharashtrian, and
Ah.
to me, that's the biggest compliment, because a lot of Marathi actors tend to have a certain accent when they speak Hindi, and I think people have that stereotype in their head. But I'd done one Marathi film. After that, my first Hindi film was Fan with Shah Rukh,
Yes, of course.
which was
Of
amazing.
course,
And
yes.
then I did Mirzapur. And Mirzapur was, for me, it was very heavy in terms of that dialect. And I sat with my
Coach.
writer
Ah.
and I said to him that, Puneetji, I want to make sure that when people see me, they think I'm from there. There should be no question about that. So I was really happy when that sort of was appreciated and didn't come in the way. And I think, you know, वो ज़बान बहुत important होती है जब आप कोई भी कैरेक्टर करें. कल अगर if I have to play a hardcore Punjabi girl or I have to do a Tamil or Telugu film. It's my duty as
Yeah,
an
to
actor
work on it.
work on it.
Absolutely.
And you have to be a canvas. I think if you come too much already with certain colors, I would say, then people will find it hard to repaint.
That's very well put. Huh?
Yeah,
I must say,
that's-
you have to be a canvas. God, I think we've done quite well on the food, and I think we've done great on the conversation also. It's been thoroughly enjoyable, I must say.
had a blast, and it's difficult to eat and talk.
But we've managed very well. We haven't stopped talking.
I would have eaten more.
Look, after I cut, you can eat. The food is all yours. There's no problem at all.
Can I tell you something really embarrassing?
Uh.
One of my weirdest habits is that I read menus for fun.
I think we should spend more time together.
Even when I'm not ordering from there.
Yeah. I do it.
I think I have a
I'll-
problem. I really have a
No,
problem.
you really like your food.
I love my
You really like your food, and God bless you. May
Thank you.
Always, and a healthy love for food, I think, it speaks volumes about your life
Oh, thank
and the way you look at things.
Thank you. Thank
So,
you. Thank you for this lovely meal.
Coconut Boy in Bandra, fabulous food, I must confess.
Yes, I loved it. I think I'm going to come back here, Aram se, and eat more. Right now, a little bit I've tried to not
This
pull it.
Amsol is good, no?
Lovely, everything.
But I thank you, bolta hu, and listen, Shreya, this is super. Just
Thank you.
what fun
Thank
this
you.
has been.
And we have to do one more street round.
We'll do. We'll,
At my
we'll do it at
Sevpuri
Lokhandwala with your
place.
Sevpuri place.
Yeah.
And we'll do 2-3 favorites of yours.
Done.
over there.
We should do one street food evening where you take me to your favorite one, I'll take you to my favorite one, and we
It's
can
a
drive
deal.
and go. Yeah,
It's a deal. We
City.
can car and do it. Yeah, no problem.
Pakka.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chalo. So
Thank you.
this was thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Shreya Pilgaonkar, what a wonderful actress, what a wonderful lover of food. What more can I say? And if you like the episode, please subscribe
Yes.
and please tell them also that
Subscribe and
Share.
and recommend more places to us.
absolutely.
And don't waste food. Like we're not going to waste
No,
it. Everyone's going to
food
eat
never
it.
gets wasted here.
And बस मजे करो.
Yeah. और आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए कि खाने में क्या है.
What a lovely name.
खाने में क्या है?
ये हर
That's the
रोज सब
channel.
पूछता है ना.
Yeah, it's the simplest thing.
I love it. I love it. खाने में क्या है?
Oh, Baba. Superb. I'm going to eat
मजा आ
one
गया.
big chip.
Please खाइए अभी आप.
You will eat. You will eat. Oh! Wait. No, we don't want to be
Oh,
late.
is this biscuit with?
Serradura. Come on. You're going to have the whole thing?
No.
Why?
I can't.
Go, we'll share it. Go deep inside.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Had you to one. That's it. Oops, sorry.
Oh, very nice.
Lovely. Lovely.
Wow, I'm feeling very satiated now.
How many times a week do you have to do this?
About 2 or 3 times a week we do now.
You must have tried all restaurants, no?
No, there's so much left to do. So much. We've traveled also. We travel also with the show.